we're going to learn how to make a cherry cheesecake dip. Helen gave me this recipe and I have to try this out. First, we take an instant cheesecake box. We don't use the topping on top unless you want to, and we do not use the graham crackers on the bottom, but we do mix the filling up as it says on the box. After the cheesecake's filling is already chilled in the refrigerator and is thickened up some, then we'll add 1 small bowl of Cool Whip. Now, I use the sugar-free Cool Whip, but you can use the sugar one if you like. Next step is putting it in a serving dish. Now, if you do not like the cherry pie filling topping, you could also use blueberry topping, pie filling, the apple. Ooh, the blueberry would be so yummy, wouldn't it? Also, if you don't like the cheesecake filling, you know, they have the Oreo cheesecake. That would be good with some chocolate graham crackers to dip it in. Now, let's put a can of cherry pie filling right on top of the cheesecake dip. Ooh, doesn't that look good? Now let's put some graham crackers around it and see the serving dish. Now that would look good at any get-together or party. You could also change it up by changing the flavor of the cheesecake or the top pie filling. And also you can change the graham crackers to chocolate graham crackers, or, you know, that'd be cute for the kids. Those graham cracker cookies that's shaped like little bitty animal and they're flavored chocolate or vanilla.